Hi everyone, with this video I'm going to show you how to test a PLC sourcing program with the factory I/O. So let me introduce the hardware and software required for this testing. So the first one is S7-300 family, is CPU 315-2 PNDP. Come together with this IM module. This is ET200SP plus CMPDP module. It is a communication module. So this module I use to communicate with this handheld scanner. So next one is Siemens S7 version 5.6. So come with this WinCC Flexible 2008 SP5, or actually you can use the WinCC Advanced or whatever version of 13, 14, 15, or even 16 if you have, or is available in your laptop, in your machine. You can use it as well. So the last one is the highlight. The highlight in this video is the factory I/O. Today I'm going to use this version of 2.2.3, or if you have, you can use a higher version to test the program actually. Okay, uh, this is uh, this is my PLC. Actually, I don't use this big one. I use this small one. Connect with this IM module. So this is my just a network switch. Okay, let's look at this system architecture. Actually, I have a S7-300 CPU 315-2 PNDP, which connect to the ET200SP by means of the Profinet protocol, and also the communication between the touch panel or WinCC flexible runtime is done by Ethernet TCP. And also I have the handheld scanner. Actually, the handheld scanner I connect to this CMPDP communication module. The physical connection I use is RS232. I think. If you want to know more detail about how this communication uh, programming, uh, or if you want to know how to do the programming with this CMPDP and also this the handheld scanner, you can go back and look at my previous video. I have already explained everything in that video because the video time is quite long, almost 40 or 50 minutes, I think. Yeah, if you have the basic knowledge of this kind of programming or communication, you should be able to catch it uh, very fast, I will say. Okay. Okay, now we look at this factory I/O skin setup. So in this case, just to let you know first, this layout is for my testing purpose only. If you have more idea, you can play with it, and so you can add on whatever you want to test. So you see this, I put one of the arrow here. Actually, in reality, the people will not use the handheld scanner. They may use, but I would say it's very rare. Normally the people will use the automatic and those decoder like RFID or ATR or OCR. But in the case I have only I have only one available in my testing environment, so I use it. I use it. Okay. Okay. Next, let me show you the my factory I/O screen. This is what I have. Okay, here you go. I have this. I have a. Oh, don't tell me this is stop working. Error. Damn it. Never mind. I can start it again. I think there's something wrong with the video resolution, but anyway. So I can start, then you also can follow me on how you can start with the factory I/O. Is it good for you also? This is just a just the right time. This error occurred. Okay, just make it maximize. So I have this my file. Just open my file here. So first of all, I go to my communication setup here. I just connect this. Okay, now it's connected. You can see this the the green color ticks here. Or you want to see the configuration, how and what are the necessary setting need to be done. You can come here. This is my one is S7-300, and this is my host IP address, and this is my network adapter, and this is a rack, and also whatever configuration you can pay it by yourself if you have time. Okay, back to the screen. Okay, back to screen. This screen. Okay, first we start with this. I have the 6 meter. I think the 6 meter long belt conveyor here, and also I have a 2 meter. I have a 4 meter here. I have a spur conveyor here. I have the chute. I have a diverter. Actually, this is nothing. I just just to represent. Actually, normally people will install the ATR or OCR or whatever the IFID to detect those incoming we call part or incoming object or incoming item to here. Then this decision point we assign the destination to that particular item. So then every item will have the destination, like I would say destination shoot. So then you know where to go, and also this decision maker will control the route where is when it need to be divert or extend or retract or something like that. And also there are some of the sensor are being used here, like this this is photo sensor, the fuel sensor here. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so next let's go back to software. This is software what I have. I have the S7 300 here, so I use a Cinematic Manager, like you call this step 7. The version I use is 5.6. I think this is my program. This is my program here. Yep. This is my HMI program. Okay, let me open one of them. Okay, actually I have four of four or five main functions here. The first one is to manage uh, the bag or the item or the object data. Is here, the first one. This one is written in the STL, and some of them is STL or whatever. I think if you understand this, you should be able to understand how it's done. But okay, next one is a handheld scanner. This function will you taking care of those communication between handheld scanner and also the CMPTP module. This one. All right. So next one what I have is a bag ID handling. So whatever data I receive from the handheld scanner, I will make use of those data and make some of the program uh, to what to control the conveyor or control the diverter or to record the data. Okay. So next one is what this is the conveyor program. In this case, we have something. I have total 10 conveyor. 101 to 0 0 1 0 0 conveyor 0 1 to conveyor 10. Okay, this is okay. This is a mapping. This is a mapping from between a PLC I/O and factory I/O. So you call this is also block to control this thing. Conveyor. Each of our conveyor will have one function block. In some case, you may have to. It depends. It depends on the deployment. It depends on the program condition. Okay. Then the last one is very important one is we call the tracking program, tracking software. This one you have to because each every item need to be tracked while it convey along the conveyor like this. Tracking program. Okay, this is my simple HMI graphic. Some of the errors to that they might just for testing. I just make it quickly. So this. Okay, this is actually after what I have told you just now. I have totally 9 conveyor here. Each conveyor I have the auto, I have MCB, I have the PE1, PE2, and output here, and also the reset, and also the run command signal here, and the port, and some of the necessary command here. And also next one, I also have we call the bag or the item database management. I would say like that. Okay, let me tell you something. In reality, right? So normally we will not use a PLC memory or PLC DB to store all this kind of information. Normally we will use the third-party system like those machine which install the whatever the SQL server or whatever they want to use. Then they use. Then we have normally we will have communication between our PLC and the third party in order to send request and receive back the information what we have. But in this case, I don't have the external. I don't have another system that I don't want to work with SQL, something like that. I just put everything into my PLC for testing purpose. As you can see in the right hand side, there are 3 options here. There is back register mode, checkpoint mode, and deletion mode. Actually, you know why? Because actually I have only one handheld scanner. I have to use my handheld scanner scan. Every time I need to do something, I need to use handheld scanner to scan. But I can select one mode at a time, like this on back mode or checkpoint or deletion mode or this thing like that. Okay. This is the back ID. This is the destination ID. Let me explain to you something with the destination ID. Right. Be back to this our screen. The first one is destination number 3. This is number 6. This is number 9. I just follow the conveyor name. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, we're back here. Let me show you something. First, let me clear first. I get back. Let me clear. I will scan. If you look at my handheld scanner, I will scan this. The first one, scan number 1. Okay. Okay, listen. I will scan number 1. I assign to number 3. I register. You will see this indication, and also you can see this status. So next one, number 2. I put this. I put to number 6. I register. Next 3. I put to number 9. I register. And number 4. So I put to 3 again. Register. Number five. Number five, I put to like 12. This destination of conveyor number 10 like is for those reject or those lost track information like, or whatever destination when you sort of assign to the to the back to the object. If the destination is not so for 3, 6, or 9, if you go to the conveyor number 10, right? So this one, 5, 6, 6 if you up to 6, 8, oh, I have this. Never mind. I delete, scan 6, scan 6, I delete 6, I delete, then delete 6. Okay, I'll come back in again. I register again to number 6. Number 7, I put to 3, register. Alright. Okay, in this case, like whatever happened in the past, not happen, whatever event happened, I have the uh some log like this. Delete, you delete whatever you register. I have all information here, right? You can see this as well. Okay, let me show you one. Let me start the simulation. Okay, move me out first. Why did you go out first? This one you can configure what you want and the minimum time and what type of the box you want, like this. How can I make this one? Oh, why is always on? I don't want it to be on top and on top. Okay, good. Okay, no, 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 it's okay. This. So first of all, right, I want to show you how the system works first. Without the without the scanner function, I will start the system first. Let's start this. Start this. Engine running. Okay. My part is insert already or no? I have my part here. Start. So like I will make this one is like a toggle mode, right? It's a so-called alternate mode. Next one, like this. It is like, so now I make this one go. I have the gap control over here. Now I will try to control the gap over here. Actually, my program can control the gap. I have the gap to control like this. I have the gap control the gap. Actually, this one is very good. I can throw this one for some guys. This one can fly ways like this also can. I like. So the number two here, okay. Actually, the conview speed like you can control, right? The maximum with the analog control is three three 3 meter per second actually, but the speed I use here is only 2 meter per second. Let's clear this out. Clear this out. Cancel this. Okay, stop this one first. Now we will go to the automatic mode. I, I will enable the scanner. This. Okay, then we can see this. Still here. Here, right? I enable this checkpoint scanner, which is the box or the part will come and wait here until I scan. You know. Okay, let's start again. This one is a bit long. Okay, this one should be able to see that. So let me start with this first. I enable scanner. Start the system again. Start the runtime. Okay, now the back is coming here. Here I have my scan here. You wait here, right? Stop. Stop. Back ID. So I go the first one. Number one. Oh, so sorry. Okay. Number one. Go to number one. So number two. Number three. Number four. Number five. Number six. Number seven. number 8. That's all, right? Okay. You can see this status, right? You can see this. You can based on this screen, number 1 is go to this is your F5, arrival destination. You can see this. 2 is go to 10, plus whatever is not. 3, 6, or 9 if you go to like number 10. If you go to this event log, you can see that they align like this. Alright. The rest, I just want to release. Just let it go. I just off this one. If you go automatic. So I just want to make it off this. Just let it go. Control this. Control this. Okay. So if I reset one of them, right, number 5, right, I set number 5 to manual, right? The manual will stop, the rest will stop, we call diebacks. And we call dieback function, I make it auto again. Then I will make this number 8 to manual or trip like this. This one will stop, and the rest will stop also. This is we call the dieback system. I have alarm, but actually I have a lot of alarm inside my function block, but I just show you the common alarm first. On back, then I reset alarm, the system will resume. I will make this on alarm. I will try to push all the items, all the boxes here. Then it will block this sensor. It is block this sensor. Number 6. After certain timing, you will have alarm. See this? I have alarm here. So what I have to do, I have to clear alarm. I just throw this one away. Throw this one away. Throw this. Throw this. Then I listen. Then system resume. Okay, everybody. So I will stop this video at this first. So thanks again for watching, everyone. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you next EP or next video.